is Todd. I want to welcome y'all back to the channel. So it's time to get cooking again. So today we're going to be making Italian meatballs in marinara sauce served over pasta. So let's get our ingredients together. For our Italian meatballs, we are going to need some ground beef, some ground Italian sausage, eggs, breadcrumbs, Parmesan cheese, yellow onion, salt, pepper, Italian seasoning, and garlic. So let's get our ingredients prepped. All right, so we've got our ground beef and our ground Italian sausage in a large bowl. To this, we are going to add in our eggs, our onion, and this is a minced onion that I've run through a food processor because we want it really, really fine. And then we're gonna add in our garlic, our salt, our Italian seasoning, our pepper, and we are going to add in our Parmesan cheese and our breadcrumbs. So we're going to get all up in here and get this all thoroughly mixed up with our hands. And as always, whenever we are working with raw meat, we need to remember to wash our hands before and after. So let me get this all mixed up, and once we're ready to make our meatballs, we'll be back. All right, so as you can see, our meat and ingredients are all mixed up. So I'm going to use a little dough scooper, and this is a tablespoon and a half. And as you can see, we're gonna have meatballs about this size. And we want to make sure when we put them on our foil-lined baking tray, we need to space them out evenly because these are going to go into an oven and we're going to broil them for about 15 minutes till they're brown. So I'm going to continue doing this, and once we get them all done, we'll be right back. All right, so we are just about done. We've got our last couple that we're getting made. This last one's going to be just a little bit bigger than the rest. All right, so now that we've got our meatballs all made up, these are going to go into an oven set on broil, and we're going to watch them, and probably about halfway through we're going to flip them over, but they're going to go for about 15 minutes. And then once that's done, we're going to put these into our homemade marinara sauce. All right, so these have been going 7 minutes, and now we're going to flip them around. Oops. Not too hot, so we can do them with our hands. scoop. But there we go, almost there. Oh, these things smell so good. All right, so that makes the last one. And these are gonna go back into the oven on broil for about another 7 to 10 minutes. All right, so I've just pulled these out the oven. So now let's go ahead and transfer them to our marinara sauce. You see they got a nice brown on them. Ow, 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 ow. And they are hot this time. Just push these in the sauce. And that's the last of them, okay? So we're gonna shove them up under the sauce and we're gonna let them go in the sauce for about 10 to 15 minutes. All right, our meatballs have been cooking in our marinara sauce for about 20 minutes. And as you can see, these are just looking good. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna serve this over some pasta. Go, get a couple more meatballs in here. All right, we're gonna top this with just a little bit of Parmesan cheese. And we are good to go. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember, new videos are posted every Tuesday at 4 p.m. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, enjoy.